We start with bringing the long edge down, stacking both of them one on top of the other, lining up the corners, giving it a nice crease. I'm going to open it up, make a mountain fold going to the sky. Fold the top down just about 2 fingers width, lining up the fold on top of the center, giving it a nice crease. I prefer to use a tool. And now, mountain fold, crease at the top corner comes down to the center. Do our best to line it up. The most important thing when making paper airplanes is symmetry. Symmetry equals balance. Balance equals making it the same on both sides, left and right. Balance in your life means you have a long, pleasant, joyful life. A balanced diet means you'll have a balanced food plan. You won't eat flaming hot Cheetos all the time. You won't eat Doritos all the time. You won't eat candy all the time. You won't just drink water all the time, but you'll eat and drink a nice variety of things. Now, an imaginary line across here. We've got the house shape. And now we're going to bring that down on top. Give that a nice fold. The paper is very, very thick at this point, friends. So we're at this shape. It looks kind of like an envelope. We're going to fold the tip back to the top. Give that one more fold. It's really, really thick. Now we got all this hoo-ha, the flaps. Flip the flaps over. Now we're going to take this corner down. Take it down. We're going to take this corner down. How you going to do it? Genius mode. Yes. Boom. Now we're almost done, friends. This is the Mr. Jones Special Arrowhead Superfly High Indoor-Outdoor Supersonic Plane. Boom. Creased paper so thick, y'all. Now this is what makes this such a powerful plane, is all of this thick folding. We're near the ends. All right, guys, we're very much at the end now. Final move here is just to simply, fold it with these flaps towards the center. Now, fold that down. The hardest part is going to be creasing this very top. And so you just want to take your time and do your best to work it down. When in doubt, muscle it out. All right, use my tool. All right, got one side down, flip it over. Make both sides the same as best I can. It's super duper thick. All right, almost done. Opening it up. This is my airplane. A for airplane. Now I'm just going to simply lay it this way. And I can begin to add my decoration. Think about what I want to add. So I'm going to put my initials. And I'm going to put it on both sides. Now, I want to add, what am I going to add? Maybe I want some, make it look like far or something. I don't know, see what color. Yes, all right. Make it look like it's got super speed. So I make some lines from the front. And now I'm going to add a second color to make it even have more variety. A little more color. Add some more decoration. Oh wow, that's looking looking really nice, guys. Now, right now, I've got all the decoration on the top, but what if it's way up in the sky? I need to add some decorations down here. So I'm gonna add some blue flame. So I'm gonna go. All right, and then do some on the other side. Now this means this plane's got to run fast. So when I throw this plane, I'm gonna have to run fast. All right, I can't even wait. I'm gonna go right now and test this plane. I'm gonna go outside right now. Oh my gosh. Yeah! I love learning, yes I do. Genius mode, yes, this is for you.